Hello kids, let's learn kitchen items. Pan. The pan is on the stove. Pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is cooking rice. Kettle. The kettle is boiling water. Gas stove. The gas stove is hot. Oven. The cake is in the oven. Refrigerator. The milk is in the refrigerator. Sink. I wash my hands in the sink. Dish rack. The plates are on the dish rack. Cutting board. I cut vegetables on the cutting board. Pillar. The pillar removes the skin. Grater. The grater shears the cheese. Strainer. I use a strainer for tea. Colander. I wash vegetables in the colander. Spatula. I flip the pancake with a spatula. Ladle. I serve soup with a ladle. Tongs. I pick up bread with tongs. Whisk. I mix egg with a whisk. Rolling pin. I roll the dough with a rolling pin. Measuring cup. I use a measuring cup. Jar. The jar has cookies. Ice tray. The ice tray is in the freezer. Oven mitt. I wear an oven mitt. Toaster. I toast bread in the toaster. Mixer. I make juice with mixer. Air fryer. The air fryer cooks food. Chimney. The chimney keeps the kitchen clean. Exhaust fan. The exhaust fan removes smoke. Water filter. I drink clean water from the water filter. Coffee maker. Dad uses the coffee maker. Juicer. I drink juice from the juicer. Hand mixer. I make egg with the hand mixer. Rice cooker. The rice cooker cooks rice. Wok. Mom cooks noodles in the wok. Casserole. Mom keeps the rotis in the casserole. Spoon. I eat with a spoon. Fork. I eat with a fork. Knife. The knife cuts fruit. Plate. My food is on the plate. Glass. I drink water from a glass. Mug. My mug is blue. Bowl. The soup is in the bowl. Cup. I drink tea from a cup. Salt shaker. Pass me the salt shaker. Paper roll. I clean the table with a paper roll. Kitchen towel. The kitchen towel is dry. Apron. Mom wears an apron. Napkin. I wipe my mouth with the napkin. Dish soap. I wash dishes with dish soap. Sponge. I clean the plates with a sponge. Basket. We store potatoes in basket. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.